Tony, if you bring that bellows 1 inch closer to my tail, I will haunt your bloodline. Do you know what this is? This is the tobacco resuscitation kit. In the 18th century, if you were pulled out from the Thames half drowned, the doctor didn't give you mouth-to-mouth. No. He gathered a crowd and proceeded to literally blow smoke up your exit portal. They believed that the heat and nicotine would jumpstart the lungs from the bottom up. Imagine waking up from a near-death experience only to find a frantic man pumping a pack of Marlboros into your digestive tract. It's not a rescue, Tony. It's a violation of human dignity. Welcome to God-Awful History. I'm Balthazar, a bat who prefers his nicotine and his dignity intact. The silent hand reaching for the charcoal is Tony. Today, we delve into the Royal Humane Society's favorite pastime, the tobacco smoke enema. Squeedo, stay away from the bellows. One puff of that 1700s lung dart vapor and you'll be doing backflips into the sun. Okay. The logic, if you can call it that, was that drowning victims were just too cold. And what's hot? Smoke. Doctors actually lined the River Thames with these rescue kits. Think about the logistics, Tony. You had to ensure the maximum pressure with the bellows. You have a pig bladder. It's often used as a makeshift airbag. And a volunteer, usually a passing sailor who was told he was saving a life while performing the most awkward procedure in medical history. It was so popular they used it for everything. Headaches, cramps, and even thyroid. It only stopped in 1811 when a scientist named Benjamin Brodie discovered that nicotine is actually a cardiac poison. Who would have thought? Pumping a concentrated toxic stimulant into a dying person's colon might actually finish them off. It wasn't resuscitation, it was clinical arson. Oh, here we go. Since I still haven't found the funds to pay Tony in anything other than exposure and discarded fruit peels, he has decided to subject us to another one of his compositions. He calls this one the humidifier.
Along the banks of the River Thames, where the water hides the royal gems, 17 scene and the air is thick, with a remedy to make the doctor sick. A drowning man on the muddy shore, waiting for a breath and a little more, a bellows and a pipe for a smoky cure, to make the fading heartbeat pure. The Royal Humane Society is at the gate, with a tobacco enemy before the lake, blowing smoke where the sun don't shine, to bring the spirit back across the line. Lifeless lungs begin to sag, heat and the nicotine to jump the heart, a literal spark for the vital part. The London crowds are gathering to see the peak of Georgian surgery. 1811 and the smoke is cleared as the danger of the cure is finally feared. Toxicity in the vital flow, where the nicotine and the vapors go. No more the bellows, no more the pipe, for a medical fruit that was never ripe.
smoke, and even if I did, that's not where the filters go. Put that away before YouTube Safety Council sends a SWAT team to my archives. Oh boy. Listen, while I go try to explain to the landlord why the office smells like a burnt cigar shop, I need your help. What is the most smoke and mirrors medical advice you've ever seen? I'm talking about that one friend who thinks essential oils can regrow a limb, or the relative who says rubbing a potato on your forehead cures a breakup. Give me your most ridiculous bottom tier health tips in the comments. Tony will read them and actually choose which one he's most likely to try tonight. Tony, stop pumping. Squiddo is stuck in the airflow. He's orbiting the ceiling fan. Can you please just get the net? I'll see you next time.